Bonsoir et bon appétit. Oh my gosh, I'm making mackerel. And I apologize, but I got to retake this because I don't know what happened, but it didn't record. But that's okay. So we got 2 mackerels, and my gosh, this is a recipe from the south of France that is delicious and wonderful. Mackerel is such a light fish. It's so cheap. And let me tell you, it's super healthy. There's a reason why the Spaniards on the coast of the Mediterranean, the French on the coast of the Mediterranean, the Italians on the Mediterranean all eat mackerel, Spanish mackerels, and they live for so long. It's such a healthy fish, and we're going to do it grilled with the herbes de Provence, lemon juice, and we're going to marinate it, and I'm showing you how to make that. So what I did is I put about 2 tablespoons of the herbes de Provence. You can find this in your grocery aisle where the spices are. And we're going to do this without lavender. So look at my description for the ingredients list. Now, like I said, the camera didn't work, so I already put the herbes de Provence and some lemons. But we need some lemons. I already put 1 lemon in there. And now we're going to put the second. And I'm just going to squeeze it in my finger to capture the seeds. Make sure your hands are clean if you do it this way. And boom, boom, boom. Look how quick that is. This is so quick, so easy, and so delicious. So here's the second lemon. Of course, you can use whatever contraption you have to capture the seeds. I just find it easy to do it this way. You see how I capture all the seeds, and I just dump it on the side. If you want to use a contraption, it's fine, right? Especially if you're doing a lot of lemons. Okay, so I got my lemon juice in here. So far, 2 lemons. Now I'm going to add some olive oil, and this is infused with the herbes de Provence. And my next video, I'm going to show you how to make this. It's super easy, but it takes a little time to make it. If you don't have this ready, just use regular sauteing olive oil, not extra virgin, not virgin, just regular olive oil. And we're just gonna add a good 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there. Now, mackerel is fatty, so you don't need too much olive oil on the grill. I recommend using a cage. I need a little spoon for the garlic powder. There we go. And I'm just gonna, about 1 teaspoon should do it. All right, now I'm gonna put some pepper, and I'm gonna put 2 good pinches of pepper, and I'm gonna put some sea salt. I have sea salt, regular salt's fine. I like sea salt because you don't have all that sodium, right? And we all have enough sodium in our diet, so this is good. Okay, we're just gonna stir this, and beautiful. All right, now our mackerels, we're gonna marinate them, but we're gonna cut some slits in them. So you're gonna go across, and just to go through the skin, and a little bit into the flesh, all the way across, like that. Okay, now, my fishmonger took out the gills, removed the fins, and gutted it for me. So it's nice and clean, and I don't have to do that, right? So we're gonna do that, boom, 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 boom. Now I'm gonna turn that and drop it in there. If you have a flat pan, you can use that. I keep turning them, so this works for me. All right. So boom, 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 and all the way across. These nice slits will help get that. Oh, look at that. I'm getting that juice in there, right? And I'm just going to turn it, go all the way into the gill, the head. But really, what needs to be marinated is the body of the fish. So from here to here. So I'm just gonna soak that for a good hour. If you want to do it overnight, it's even better. But an hour, I set my timer for 30 minutes, and I'll flip it and give it another 30 minutes, and then we will be back, and we're going to use my mobile phone to show you on the grill and how easy it is and delicious it is. Oh, unbelievable. So hang in there, we'll be right back. Sorry, I should show you how I do this. So I drop it in a bigger pan, and then I use the smaller pan just to cover it and put it in the fridge. Okay? Sorry about that. Yeah, I always forget something, right? All right, hang in there. Okay, so I got my mackerels in my cage. I got my heat all the way up, and now I am going to lower it to medium low, all the way down. And then I'm going to take, so I apologize for the videoing. Look at that, nice and hot. And this is what we want, a very hot. And we drop it in there. So low, medium low heat, and we're going to do each side about 6 to 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Hang in there. It's okay to just drop some of that marinade on it. But the grill is wonderful to do that. Look how beautiful that is. Hang in there. We'll be back. This is my barbecuing area. I have grapevines above, and then I got my beautiful barbecue, and look how that's coming along. So I'm going to add a little more juice, marinade, there we go. And I'm doing corn with that. Yeah, look how beautiful that is. So, this is what it looks like. 6 minutes on each side. Look how beautiful those mackerels are. And this is why you use a cage. I got my 2 corns. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Beautiful. Bonne soirée. Bon appétit. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful mackerel. And, oh, yeah, just beautiful, delicious. Yeah, I'm not the best photographer, but you know what? This is awesome. Try it. And if you like the video, subscribe. Share. Like it. Comments are awesome too. Yeah, that mackerel is almost beheaded. But anyways, bonne soirée, bon appétit.